everybody, it's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life I have Mike here with me. And not too long ago, he says he doesn't remember saying it, but I was getting a box and he mentioned in the car, he's like, why don't I ever get a box? So I was like, okay, we'll get you a box then. So this video is going to be Target beauty boxes. One's a men's and one is a women's. So hang out, you're not gonna want to miss it. Okay, so if you can hear music, Waylon's down on the floor behind Mike playing on his playmat, so that's what that's about. My box is upside down. But this is the outside of the women's box, and this is the men's box. They don't always have a men's box every month, but since they did this month, I thought I would order Mike one as well. They are $7 a piece, and I'll leave a link down in the description. Sometimes they run out really quick, and sometimes they don't. So I'll leave the link for Target down in the description if you want to check out the beauty box for yourself. Okay, so I don't know if there is an even number of items in each of our boxes, so we'll just go one for one.
Okay.
Do you have any idea what's in here?
I don't.
Okay. Alright, so go ahead and take your, we haven't peeked, we just took the cellophane off. Alright. My box smells really good. Real good. Does yours smell good?
It smells like soap.
So one thing that I like is that you get a $3 off coupon.
I didn't get a coupon.
You didn't get a coupon?
No.
What?
I did not.
Yes, you did.
Oh, it's in the top.
Take your coupon. I got a coupon and he got a coupon. And it's for the $3 off the purchase of $15 or more. And then, so then on the back of them, Michael, it will tell you about your products. Okay? And then there's my paper. Alright, something smells really good in here. Alright, so you want me to go first or you want to go first?
Go ahead.
Okay, so first thing that I'm going to pull out of here is Crest White 3D White Brilliance. And let's see, it is illuminating complex, leaves teeth dazzling, and gets rid of 95% surface stains in just 3 days, it says. So you need some toothpaste. I like the little I like getting travel size items because like in 2 weeks we're going to Seattle, and it just makes it easier for traveling on a plane to have some things that aren't just huge. So I like getting samples of stuff. All right.
So, Crest. Gum sensitivity.
No, so yours
Does all-day protection. Neutralizes harmful plaque and provides sensitivity relief for your gums.
Groovy. Alright, so then the next thing in here, I got some Ardell lashes. Those are going to be fun. You want to try them on?
Yeah, no.
He said no. Alright, anyways, they say they're not free. Where did my little paper go? Of course, this is full-size item. I like when they include at least one full-size item. Alright, hang on just a second. Okay, I had to go get Waylon because Steve was not a happy camper. But anyways, of course, the lashes are a full-size item. And, excuse you, but they're faux mink lashes. Ultra soft lashes and lightweight.
So this is the art of shaving. It's got 3 little trial packs. Prepare, lather up and shave, and then to moisturize with. Let's see. Unscented pre-shave oil, shaving cream, and aftershave balm. Collection of shaving essentials formulated with botanical ingredients. So maybe it'll smell good.
I hope so.
And leaves the skin soft and smooth.
That'd be good.
Yeah, that don't get shaved.
It'll it'll get worse over the winter. He has to have his winter beard on. Alright, this is Lumen Intense Hydration 24-hour moisturizer. And I have used this product before. I'm trying to do it and hold him because I'm not starting this video over again. But that's what the box looks like. And I've used Lumen products before and they are really good. See if this says anything you need to know. Lightweight cream, replenishing ingredients and hydro technology, promotes a healthy looking complexion. So, there you go. Alright.
So this is active, stay fresh, on the go deodorant wipes.
Oh, yeah.
Special formula neutrals harmful. Sorry, I was reading the toothpaste one again. Instantly wipe your odor away, whenever, wherever, so you can feel fresh even on the go.
Cool.
I guess this is my full size one because this is the only thing.
Then next, I already did that one. I have some number 7 Laboratories Line Correcting Booster Serum. That's what it looks like. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. There you go. But it's just a little thing. But I know that the number 7 products are pretty pricey.
Okay.
I dropped my card, so that's the end of the card.
So we have Head and Shoulders 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, which we use Head and Shoulders, so Old Spice scent.
Let's smell it. I like Old Spice scent. Smell it? Smells pretty good. Smells pretty good. Alright. I have some Vaseline Extreme Dry Skin Rescue. Is that the rest of your box?
No.
Right here, some Vaseline. This is always really nice, especially in the wintertime in Nebraska. It is very windy here, and so you need the extra layer of protection on your skin. And that probably just says what I already said. Yeah. Rich formula delivers prescription strength moisturizing to dry patches. So that's that.
This is Suave Professional Men 3-in-1 Citrus Rush shampoo, conditioner, and body wash.
Will it make you a professional? So you gotta. Oh, did you say it's body wash?
And shampoo and conditioner.
Oh, everyone. Oh, that's cool. Okay, and then I have in here some Head and Shoulders as well. I don't use Head and Shoulders, but the boys in my house do, Mike and Matt. And this says Royal Oils Moisture Renewal. This is the conditioner, and it has coconut oil. And I bet this is what smells so good. I'll use this when we go on vacation.
And then I have Bandito mask.
That is probably your full size item.
Yeah. Says chill a minute or 30. Cream mask. Contains colon clay, shea butter, olive oil.
You've done masks with me a couple times.
Yeah. Helps reduce the appearance of pores and refine your skin.
Alright, and then, here, hold him a second, you take him. I got a Colorista hair makeup for tips and strands for blondes and highlighted hair. Well, I'm clearly not blonde-headed, but it's red, I think. Those are really cool. I really want to try them, like right now, but I can't. It says brush, use hair makeup may transfer to the brush and comb. Let's see, with your fingertips, apply a dime-sized amount of hair makeup onto dry 1-inch section of hair. For an ombre effect, apply starting at the mid-length and blend downward. And then you can hair dry as normal. For straight hair, brush or comb to evenly distribute hair makeup. That's really cool. Y'all visit my Insta stories and I will show these to you when I have my hair down. So make sure that you're a part of my Instagram so you can see all the fun stuff that I do on my Insta stories. I post stuff of the family a lot, of Waylon on there, and just some silly stuff that I do. So I'll put the link down below for my Instagram as well. And Mike, you know, you can join his Instagram probably, but he's not going to know if you do because you don't use it really, do you?
I look at it once in a while.
He's a Facebook junkie. He likes his Facebook. So anyways, thanks for watching our Target beauty unboxings for October 2019. If you have not watched it yet, I don't know when I'm going to post this video, but up in the little iCard up here, I will post an iCard for a Halloween and fall collab that I did with 10 other YouTubers, and it went off amazingly. Everybody had a great time, so watch this iCard up here if you haven't seen it already. Also, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help everyone out when you do that, so thumbs up away. All right, bye.